Everyone, welcome to Virtuous Eunice's kitchen. Today I'm going to cook some Corvina fish, already seasoning. Okay guys, and I'm going to use some cabbage, onions, this is sweet pepper, and the red one and the green one, and some carrots already prepped. They were in the freezer. If you look at it closely, you see they have some ice. And this is my Corvina, and my oil is here. I'm going to turn on the heat. Guys, sorry because you're not seeing my face. So let's get started. Okay, it's like cabbage onion stew, and this is my Corvina. Okay guys, my oil is hot. Okay, I'm going to start frying the Corvina fish now. Guys, this lunch I'm making today, I'm expecting my father-in-law and the wife. Okay, we're going to eat lunch together. Okay guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Okay, the first set of fish is ready. Okay, so I'm going to take them out, guys, and continue with the process. Guys, I finished frying the Corvina, but it's not much. So I have some canned mackerel that I'm going to fry also. Okay guys. Oh, it's a lot in the cup. Oh my goodness, guys. It looks good. Hey guys, I have some onions in this blender, some of the shredded cabbage, my fresh tomato, garlic, ginger, and some hot pepper, the purple and the green. Okay, I'm going to blend all this together for the stew, guys. Okay, guys, I'm going to still use the same oil because all the sweetness is in this oil. Okay, I'm going to use the same oil to start my cooking. Okay, I'm putting in the onions and the cabbage together. Okay guys, it's what I'm putting now. Okay guys. Okay guys, I'm putting my seasonings. This is black pepper, white pepper, thyme, bay leaf. You can use seasonings of your choice. Okay, so I'm just using different kind of seasonings in my kitchen. Use seasonings of your choice, guys. Allow this to fry well. It's fried enough. So what I did, I put my vegetable in the microwave because I don't want too much of water. Defrost it and put in the sieve. So now I'm putting my vegetables inside. Okay guys, this is delicious. You want to see all the colors. But cooking is art and craft. Looks so good, guys. So I'm going to allow this now. When I was frying it, it was on low heat. So I'm just going to put my fish. Corvina, anyone that come out of state to visit me, you must eat Corvina. Okay, This is the mackerel. Okay, guys. That's it. Looks good. The stew is ready. So I'm going to take it off the gas now. And I have some water here now. I'm going to do some spaghetti. Okay? It's what we're going to eat the stew with. Okay? Guys, I'm going to allow the water to come to a boil. Okay? Before I put the spaghetti. And before I put the spaghetti, I'm going to drop some olive oil, just a little bit into the water, so that the spaghetti will not stick to each other. So I'm going to use the whole grain. Okay? It's better than the white one for health purpose. Okay, guys? Okay, guys. It has come to a boil. Okay? So I'm going to put just a drop of olive oil. Okay? You can use butter or whatever. Just a little bit. Okay? Now I'm putting in my spaghetti. Okay? Okay? You can put salt at this point in time, but for me, I'm going to put my Goya seasoning, the all-purpose seasoning, instead of salt. Okay? Just a little bit. Okay, guys. Then cover it. Okay. See my bowl again, guys. Okay. Great is His faithfulness. His mercy begin afresh each morning. Lamentation 3:23. God bless you guys. Bless you. Oh, okay. Okay, it's very soft. Cooked, well cooked, okay? So I'm going to take it to the sieve. I'm just going to pour it into this sieve. Okay, guys? Okay. Then I'm going to take it again, okay? Pour it back into the pot. Okay, that's it. And keep it on the stove. I already turned off the stove, okay? Guys, it looks so good. Okay, that's it. We are ready to eat our lunch. Okay, see the Corvina stew. Okay, see my mother-in-law. Is she not pretty? Beautiful ma. Can you say hi to them?
Hello, how are you?
See my handsome father-in-law.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Carbon copy of my husband. Yeah. So they're here to eat dinner with us. Though my husband is on his way from work, coming home, but we're going to go ahead and start the journey. This is some ginger beer. Okay, guys. So we appreciate you all. Ma, don't you want to say something to them?
Raise your glass.
Ma, don't you want to say? Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. Ginger beer. We've been waiting for
Yes.
this for a long time.
You see, guys. Okay, let me show you my face. I love you all.
Oh, this is delicious.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. As you do, may the Lord bless you. Your labor of love